Hey there traders! We'll be diving into the useful tools on TradingView that can help you pinpoint the ideal times to enter and exit the market. So stay tuned and let's discover how to increase your profits with free resources. In this video, we'll be focusing on the TradingView platform, a widely popular and versatile web-based trading and charting platform used by traders worldwide. To showcase our strategy, we'll be using the BNB 15-minute chart on the popular cryptocurrency exchange Binance. The 15-minute time frame provides a balance between capturing short-term price movements while still maintaining a broader view of the market trends. Our strategy's versatility allows it to be effectively applied across forex, cryptocurrencies, and stocks, enabling traders to seize profitable opportunities in their preferred markets. Our first indicator in this strategy is the MOST plus moving average screener, a powerful tool that combines the power of moving average with a screener to identify optimal entry and exit points. To add the MOST plus moving average screener to your chart on TradingView, follow these simple steps. Locate and click on the indicators button on the chart's toolbar, and in the indicators window, use the search bar to find the MOST plus moving average screener indicator. Once you find it, click on the indicator to apply it to your chart. In order to optimize the performance of the MOST plus moving average screener indicator, it's important to adjust its settings according to your specific trading strategy. Alright, so now that we've customized the settings, you'll notice that the indicator is even better at finding profitable trades, as you can see in these examples. But here's the deal, no strategy is perfect. This indicator might sometimes give signals that go against the trend, which can be tricky. But don't worry, we're going to fix this issue in a bit. Just remember, at TradeGenius, we're all about making strategies that are really work and don't cost you a penny. We use free indicators so everyone can join in on the action. So if you like what you're seeing, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more killer strategies. Now let's get back to solving this issue we talked about. We've got a solution to help us spot trends easily and accurately. We're going to use a tool called T3 Ribbon R1 by Just Uncle L. To find it, go to the TradingView's indicator section and type in T3 MA Ribbon R1 in the search bar. Then just add it to your chart. Now that we've got the indicator on your chart, we need to make a few changes in the settings so that it can help us detect trends better. Just click on the little gear icon next to the indicator's name and I'll guide you through adjusting the settings. This tool is basically a visual representation of the market trend, and it helps traders make decisions based on the current situation. When the price is above the green ribbon, it's like a green light telling you that the market is moving upward and it might be a good time to buy. This is what we call an uptrend. And on the other hand, if the price falls below the red ribbon, it serves a warning sign that market is experiencing a downtrend, meaning it could be better to sell or wait for a more favorable opportunity. Now, when the price is somewhere between the ribbon, it means the market is kind of taking a breather and isn't showing a clear direction. This is when it's best to hold your horses and wait for more defined trend to emerge before jumping into any trades. Let's break down the rules for entering a sell trade using the MOST indicator and the T3 ribbon R1. First and foremost, we need to make sure that the market is in a downtrend. This is determined by observing the position of the price relative to the ribbon. If the price is below the red ribbon, it is a sign that the market is experiencing a downward trend, which is the ideal condition for a sell trade. Next, we'll look for a sell signal from the MOST indicator. The MOST indicator provides buy and sell signals based on its built-in algorithms, which make into account various factors such as price movements and market trends. When the MOST indicator generates a sell signal, it is an indication that the market conditions are favorable for selling. So once both conditions are met, a downtrend is confirmed and a sell signal is received from the MOST indicator, it's time to enter a sell trade. And to set the stop loss level, identify the most recent swing high or the upper level of the red ribbon, which is the stop loss as a safety measure that helps you limit your potential losses if the market doesn't go as planned. And for take profit level, aim for a risk reward ratio of at least 1 to 1.5. This means that the potential profit from the trade should be 1.5 times greater than the potential loss as determined by the stop loss level. A higher risk reward ratio helps to ensure that your winning trades outweigh your losing ones in the long run. And to enter a buy trade using the MOST indicator and the T3 MA ribbon R1, follow these guidelines. The first step is to confirm an uptrend in the market. You can do this by checking the position of the price relative to the ribbon. If the price is above the green ribbon, it indicates an uptrend, which is the perfect environment for a buy trade. Next, keep an eye out for a buy signal from the MOST indicator. So once both criteria are met, an uptrend is established and a buy signal is received from the MOST indicator, it is time to execute a buy trade. And to set a stop loss level, look for the most recent swing low or the lower level of the green ribbon. And as for take profit level, maintain a risk reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. This means your potential profits should be 1.5 times greater than the potential losses. So now let's analyze these examples to understand how effectively our strategy filters out signals during ranging markets and counter trend situations. In range markets, the price tends to move sideways without showing a clear direction. During these periods, our strategy prevents us from entering trades as the price remains between the ribbon, signaling a lack of defined trend. This ensures that we don't get caught in whipsaws and only trades when the market has a clear direction. As for counter trend signals, our strategy relies on the combination of the MOST indicator and the T3 MA ribbon R1 to filter them out. The MOST indicator provides buy and sell signals based on its analysis of market trends and price movements. Simultaneously, the T3 MA ribbon R1 helps confirm the trend direction by requiring both an appropriate trend and a signal from the most indicator. Our strategy avoids taking counter-trend trades and focuses on higher probability opportunities in line with the prevailing trend. In conclusion, our strategies successfully tackled the challenges of ranging markets and counter-trend signals, ensuring you make well-informed, high-probability trades for long-term success. So be sure to watch the recommended video on the screen to discover more profitable trading strategies and techniques designed to help you maximize returns and minimize risks in the exciting world of trading.